guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we finally have supposedly we're gonna have a break from the rain. Supposedly, let me show you how many inches of rain we've gotten the past couple of days. Here we go, my rain catcher, and it is 4.5 inches, almost 5 inches. It's a lot of water, guys. So right now what I have to do is, having my plants over here, they get a little bit of debris, but I mean that's not a big deal because I am aware of it, so I'm going to take care of it. Yesterday I knocked down so the palm trees, they get like a big seed branch. They get a big seed branch and they have little flowers. They look like this. And as you can see, those flowers get everywhere. So I'm just gonna make sure and go through my plants right now. Also, the sun is supposed to be coming out. It is peaking right now, as you can see. I'm gonna have some of my tools here. I'm gonna walk around all my planters and just take a look. And this is not work to me. This is very relaxing. You can hear the chimes and the wind and stuff like that, so that feels really nice. So it's really relaxing. I actually was listening to music and I decided to record and show you guys what I'm doing. So yeah, this pot looks pretty good. I already, blew it out with this. So I already blew this out. This one still has a little bit more. Just want to make sure. It's from Max. She hears there's people out working on the yards, the landscape people. So I gotta just blow these out like this so that they don't get sunburn. So that's what I'll do, and then I'll go around removing some debris. So yeah, I'm going to be able to see how so that was almost 3 days of non-stop rain. We're gonna see how my plants respond. I already know how these do. These do pretty well. They'll lose like a leaf or two, but so far I haven't lost like a whole plant in these things. Okay guys, like I said earlier before it started to rain, I'm just gonna go through my pots and see what I need to pick up, and around also the pots. Over here, like I told you guys, I get a lot of debris. I'm gonna pull some weeds and also just make sure that there's no water standing on any of the plants. This is my desert rose. I don't know much about desert roses. I don't take care of it. The only thing I do, honestly, if I see mealybugs or aphids, I just take care of that. But other than that, I leave it alone. And she is soft because she needs water. And you would think she is very dry still because there's an overhang here, so she didn't get any water. So I'm going to water her. And also I noticed that this pot was also very dry. This pot, I still need to dress it with some rocks, but this pot is super dry, so the overhang has protected from water. So I need to remember that I can't depend on the rain watering it. I need to water it, so I'm going to water it like that. I know that all my plants got watered at the same time, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I just go around here and just start to pick up any debris and check my plants with my bucket, my Dollar Tree bucket that I really like. Okay, so there's some water right there. And now it's gone. Now I don't have to worry about the sun possibly burning them. And there we go. This one, this one looks good. It's blooming. I'm gonna leave the blooms there. I'm looking at them. I'm constantly coming here, so there's currently no bugs. I really like seeing the blooms. I'm just gonna leave them there. I think they're fine. Next, I'm just picking up some of the mulch that gets kicked in by Maxie. Or whatever. Okay, let's see. Let me look at this plant. Just gonna remove this. I'm just taking all the water out. And picking up these annoying little flowers. They're not going to fall anymore because I went ahead and removed it from the palm tree. So I won't have to deal with that. All I got to do is try to get it before it blooms. It wasn't blooming, and it just, because of all the rain, it just made it, you know, it sped up the process. So yeah. I already did this one earlier, so this one should be fine. And let's see this one here. Cute little gnome from Dollar General. Oh, I got this too from Dollar General. I think I showed you guys. Yeah, this was $10, but I got the $5 off. I moved this to the back because I had something here to take pictures, but I think I'm gonna leave it like that and maybe bring this one higher. Look, it's me and my husband. That one's no good. Cute little bunny. So I think they'll be good. This owl loved the water. Oh my god. The noise. Really? Oh, okay, so let me make sure here. So I think I can remove this one. She's gotten really big in there. She's doing really good. But I think I'm gonna get her out of there and put her, you know, use her in an arrangement. Goodness, the noise. Okay. So that's doing well there. Let's see. This one I moved her over here so she can get more sun over here where I had her. She's just not getting a lot of sun. Look at these jelly beans. Oh, they're so pretty. So happy. I'm sorry if some of you guys don't like the lizards. They're everywhere. It's Florida. We have lots of lizards. I used to play with them in Puerto Rico when I was a kid. I would catch them. I wouldn't hurt them. I would catch them and then make them hang on my ears. So they would bite your earlobe. They don't have teeth, so it doesn't hurt. It's just a little pinch. They would bite your earlobe and hang on your ears, and it would be like, you know, lizard earrings. There was not much to play with when I was in Puerto Rico visiting. I went to Puerto Rico to live in Puerto Rico when I was 13, so I was older then. But when I was a little kid that I used to go visit, that's what I used to do. There was not much to, you know, it was just fun going into the woods and playing and finding fruit and stuff like that. But other than that, I didn't have a lot to do around my area. Anyways, this is the pot that I said that I'm not too happy with. I need to add more plants, so that's what I think I'm gonna do. I think if I add more plants, I'll like it. My sister made a comment about the inappropriateness of it, and now it's stuck in my head. Like, that did not cross my mind when I put it together, but when my sister said it, I'm like, thanks. Now every time we look at it, I just think of that. So I need to add more plants just to, you know, break that up. Oh, here we go. Here we have a casualty. I mean, the plant's not gone completely, but you can see where maybe the water was just settling there too much, and these leaves are done. See? There's my pot. But it's only the leaf, not the plant, so we'll see what happens. happens. Okay. Hey, Max. What you doing? Did you lock yourself out from the gate? Come on. Come on, you big baby. Come on. Okay, so this looks pretty clean around here. And I'm more concerned about the other side. The other side has more plants that do need to make sure that water's not settling on those plants. Oh, and then I took a chance and left my propagation out here. So we're just gonna see what happens, guys. We're just gonna leave it there and see what happens. This area still needs to be addressed. I still need to do stuff. I need to spray paint things. And yeah, lots of things still. Let me go to the other side and go look. These are doing super. They're doing super well. I have to move the hammock so that the hammock doesn't block the sun from hitting the plants. So I have to sometimes move it. Okay. See, there's debris in here. It's hard to do it with one hand. Has anybody ever watched YouTube on TV? You guys ever put it on TV? It looks crazy on TV. Like, at least for me to like see my stuff when you put it on there. You know, there's such a big screen and then it's pretty cool. It's like, wow. There's so many devices now. Like, I have smart TV. So it already has YouTube on there. And you can just play it. I'm just curious if you guys ever done that. This one's doing pretty well. For now, right? This is the first time we get real rain. So we'll see. Still need to pot these up. These worry because they have a lot of soil, you know, in these pots. Because they're so, you know, like deep like that. So I don't know. I need to, like, hurry up and pot those. A lot of dead leaves around here. This one's doing so well, guys. Okay, where's my little... This one is easy to tip over. It's very compact. This one too. Oh, look at my bird eyes. I need to tip it over a little bit. This one is a little scary. It's so tall and big. Got a big head. Big head, little body. Look at the babies. Look at that. Those babies came from leaves. How cool is that? So this one definitely concerns me when it rains, because the leaves, they do hold water like this, you know, so I really need to make sure to remove all that water so that the plant doesn't lose its leaves and it doesn't start to rot. And I'm almost done, guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and let's get to the potting video, guys. Isn't it super cute? It is. I love the face of this bunny on here. It is so cute. What I'm going to do is, so obviously this is cardboard, but I sprayed it with, let me show you what it looks like. There's this spray. It's a two-step process. There's 2 sprays, but this one, I've been using this one lately. I haven't been using the one-step. The one-step feels like a clear coat, and then this is like a powdery consistence. This is not a permanent pot. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this, obviously I just said it, as a pot, but I'm gonna line it. But I also sprayed this area just to protect it. I mean, let's see, here you go. Let me see if I can show you guys that. Do you see that? Look at that. That is the water repelling. So I found this. I didn't spray the whole thing, only the area that I thought where water would settle. I found this at the Dollar Tree. It's called Never Wet. It was only $1, obviously. In a, like I said, it's a 2 steps. So you get 2 bottles, and I got that for $1. That was a while back ago. I don't know if you will find, if you'll find it now. It's worth taking a look. But yeah, they sell that online too, but obviously it's gonna be more than $1. Okay, and then let me show you. I sprayed the inside as well. Only the area that that water would puddle, in case my plastic. See? Look at the beads. See? So that's what I did. That's just to help me avoid mold in the areas that I think that water is gonna puddle. Because I'm gonna put a plastic in here still. Let me go ahead and do that, and then I'll get back here. Hey guys, so I'm back. So what I did was I got my Ziploc bag that I'm going to be using for this project, and what I did is I put water to make sure that there's no leaks in this bag. And the reason is because I want the water to come out directly through this hole, no other spot. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to place my bag in here like that. Okay. And I'm gonna go ahead and that's good like that. So when I make my hole, I want to make sure that I'm gonna poke my finger through here like this, and then snip that right like that, because I want the water to only come out directly through here. I don't want any leaks through the plastic into the box. So I'm gonna just go ahead and I can pull this plastic like this, like that, and then just I'm gonna cut the sides. I'm gonna apologize for all the noise. You know, it's finally not raining, and they are doing maintenance around, you know, cutting grass and stuff like that, weed whacking. Not in my house, but around the properties. Okay, so I think that's the best. It's gonna look like that. I could pull out more. Okay, there we go. Like this. You can probably get like water resistant glue and glue the sides down like that, so that your sides permanently stay down. Or like maybe some duct tape. Duct tape is pretty good, but I mean it will flatten out with the weight. of the box. I just want to make sure that, see what I'm saying? That looks like that in there. Okay. So my only concern would be about this is if water does ever leak through the box, just mold. That is my only concern. I don't have any other concerns. My soil that I'm going to use, as usual, I'm going to make sure that it has lots of drainage in it, because this is not very breathable, obviously. So I want to have lots of drainage in there because I want these the soils to dry out pretty quickly. So I'm gonna get my soil here. I'm just gonna make sure that it has lots of drainage. I'm so happy that the sun is peeking out. I mean, Florida needs all the rain it can get. It does. I was thinking about it, and it hadn't rained for quite a long time, so we need it. I just have to work around the rain. Lots of drainage. So before I trim down the plastic, I want to first put the soil in so that it settles in there and it's all spread out nicely. Okay, and there's Maxie whining. I don't know if I should go all the way up with this. I think I'm going to cut it first and then decide. So now I'm just going to go carefully around here. So when you're watering, you have to, you know, keep in mind, make sure you get in the soil and not to the sides of the plastic. I don't know what Max is whining about. I think the gate closed on her. Hold on. Oh goodness, she doesn't know what she wants. Okay, I think that's one how much soil I'm gonna put in there for now, just so that I can maneuver the plants around. Okay, I had some ideas of what plants I wanted to place in there. I know that I wanted some height, so I'm just a little unsure of what I wanted to do. I have this one, and where is it? Okay, so I have these cuttings. I'm not going to water this because all my plants were recently watered, so I don't have to water it. But I have these beautiful cuttings, and these root pretty quickly. So I'm going to be using that in here. I really like the pastel colors and the variegatedness of it. I know I need color in there. And then I also like this cactus, this round, beautiful cactus. And I like this one too, but I don't know if I wanted to keep it in its own pot or in here. I have another cactus arrangement that I want to make too, so I'm not sure if I want to use all that. So maybe this one? I don't know. Let me think a little bit more about what I want to do. Okay, so I know definitely 3 fit in there. I don't know if more than 3 will fit. So that's what I'm gonna see. I really like this, so I think I'm just gonna go with this one. I think I might have to remove some soil. So okay, so I definitely have to take some soil out. Okay, so I don't accidentally push soil through the plastic, I need to build like a little mound here, flatten that plastic out, and kind of push. It's not gonna work. I'm gonna have to fill it no matter what. Okay, that's fine. Push that there nicely. I want this to look very compact, so I want to see how many plants I can fit in there. Okay, so that one is there. And then, oh no, look, I got soil in there. I mean, nothing's gonna happen that the soil is in there, but I'm just not trying to do that. I gotta stay within a certain, there we go. Okay, that's that. Who is next? Who is next? No. Oh wait, I thought about this one too. Yep. I thought about this one as well. Let me show you. Yeah. So I have one of these and I've already had it for quite a long time. I am going to guess a year. She's been doing very well. I don't have any issues. And I remember what I did with her is I told myself that fatter plants, thicker leaves need less soil and more drainage. So that's what I'm going to do for this one too. Her roots will make her way around the, what's it called? She'll make her way to the soil. I just want to make sure that I give her a good chance. I'm trying not to touch that. Let's see if I can just slip it under and then move it. Try not to touch it too much. I'm gonna leave her there like that and just throw some of this in there. She's got a lot of soil, a decent amount of soil attached to her roots, so I'm just gonna leave that alone and just go ahead and try to put this like that. Okay. Next is, how was I gonna do this? Okay, she's gonna go next, but so far I have 4 plants. So I need one more. Oh, this one. I gave these a good watering, and I can feel it, like the cactus itself. She feels so plumpy. Can't believe I got her for $1. So pretty. Let me see her name. Her name is They call it old lady cactus. So I guess many of these varieties are considered old lady cactus because my old lady cactus looks very different than this one. Where's she at anyways? Oh, over there, yeah. The one in my big pot that you guys seen like a million times. That's the old lady cactus. Let me see if I can fit this in here. Okay. Like I said, I'm going to be adding lots of drainage to this. I asked somebody on Instagram posted a picture of hold on, I have a little spine stuck on me. Posted, and I've seen it more than once on Instagram, people talking about their plants growing in only pumice. So, you know, I am very curious about that. I asked, how does the plant get its minerals and, you know, vitamins? So I'm curious to see what they answer back. But yeah, I asked about that, so we'll see. Let me go ahead and take these beauties and put them back here. Oopsie. Come on. Oh. Maybe here better. I love these kalanchoys. They're so pretty. So pretty. Cool. Okay. Just trying to hide everything. I don't know what kind of succulent this is. I want to say maybe it's in the crassula family. I'm not sure. It didn't come with a label. This is something that my mother-in-law got me from BJ's. It came in a 3-little set. So yeah, I think I'm going to use this. It's a really dark green, which I don't have any dark green going on, so I think you know, it brings that green that I need in there. Okay, we're in. I have to do it through there and then move it so that I don't get it in the plastic where I don't want it. So let me yeah, that's good. I think this oil is good. Okay, I think it looks beautiful. I think I should have turned this around. I think it should have been this one going up like this and the other one going down. Could I turn it? Could I turn the plant? Let's see if I can turn the plant. Okay, that's good. Okay. So, I don't know if I have any. I want to put some Spanish moss in this because I feel like it's going to complete the project. Let me see if I have any Spanish moss. Okay, guys, so I found some Spanish moss. It's pretty old, but it will do. I think it goes good with the box, actually. Very, so I'm going to lift and try to get it in there. And it doesn't have to be like shoved all the way in. It just has to look like, you know, like it's filled with moss, but really it isn't. That's what I'm doing. And I'm just pushing it in like this. And you want some of it like coming out. It just feels very natural. For those of you that don't know, many of my tools I get from the Dollar Tree. So if you didn't know, if you didn't hear me share that with you guys, I'm letting you know now. It's so pretty. Let's see. You don't know how thankful, guys, I am to be able to share things like this with you guys and create things and inspire you guys. And then you guys leave me awesome comments, you know, about how I motivated you or something, or just many of you say that my voice is relaxing. I think we are our biggest critics, and I don't think my voice is relaxing. It's very hard to edit my videos, you know, because you just hearing yourself. Like I said, we are our biggest critics, so don't be hard on yourself, guys. I try not to. Okay, there we go. Oh my gosh, I love it. Let me put this outside where it gets nice sunlight so I can show you guys. Hey guys, here it is. Oh, it's too cute. Don't you love the face? It's so cute. You guys can try this project even without the spray. So if you don't have the spray, it's not a big deal. Go ahead and try it. What's the worst that can happen? The box get wet, you throw it out, and you just replant your plants. But go ahead and try it with the plastic and let me know if it works out, if this is something that you really like. It can be a temporary thing too. Or if you can find a square you know, this container like the ones that they sell at the store. I don't know if they sell square ones. That's the only thing I've never seen. But or you can put like a round one in there and fill the empty spots with moss and make it look like it's a whole arrangement. What you can do is also so what I'm gonna do to make sure that my water goes into the area that I need it to go to and not through the, you know, through the plastic here, through the pockets, I'm gonna water only through here, right here. I'll just gently water, and that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you guys so much for your comments and watching and supporting my channel. What I'm gonna do right now after this is I'm gonna clean up my mess that I made in the greenhouse, and then remember what I started doing earlier on the video where I was going through my pots and cleaning any debris and standing water in the plants. You don't want standing water in the plants for two reasons. Well, the sun can burn them. It can become like a magnifying glass and it burns it. And then the second reason is it can, if the water sits there for too long, it can start to rot. So that's it, guys. And thank you guys so much for watching. And you guys have a blessed day, and I hope you guys enjoy your no, today's only Thursday. I hope you enjoy your Thursday. Bye, guys.